Dale, we're doing another video.
Look at this stuff.
Cool kids on the block suck a lot of dick. Boy-girl groups make me sick.
Oh, this is a song?
You're supposed to rap. Come on, Dale, you're white.
Slim Shady. I rapped.
Spaghetti, spaghetti, meatball. You just yeah,
Shut up,
thank
pound you with my hair inside. I win. Win roar.
Yeah. He just like I like totally missed his face.
That's not how it really was.
That's how it was here. You're like all up in my face again, all up in my mustache. My grill.
You grizzle?
Look, homie!
All up in that
Don't
grizzle?
play like that. Don't play like that. You're playing, man. You're like
Holy tiz.
Thanks. Wipe it on my boob.
She spit on you. And then you went into boob land. How good can it get? Oh, she has glasses on. Oh, Dad knows.
Look!
She has boogers. There's Daddy.
Daddy, you must be blind. These glasses are like ridiculous.
Yeah, this is coffee.
Those? Oh, you think those are bad? Here, try these. Those are my television watching glasses.
Oh my gosh. This man is blind.
Well, you get old one day.
No. I'm gonna die.
Let's see how...
The camera can do it.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh. Do you see this?
TV gets ginormous.
Yeah. Anyways.
No.
Yes.
What happened?
Oh. You only think you're cool.
Always have, from the first time that you waited on me.
Good mustache.
Yep. I can grow a beard too.
And that things turned out the way they did.
Yeah. She can grow the beard too. Please don't.
Okay.
It's like kissing a spider.
I had
somehow.
to call.
Oh. Look at that Duke.
There's my boy. There he is. But who's your daddy? Who is your daddy? Oh,
Yeah, who is your daddy?
Oh, let me love
Who
you.
is your daddy?
I am
Who's your
so
daddy?
proud of you. Oh.
I'm so proud of you.
All right.
Oh no, I'm black. Oh no, my dad probably in jail on the street selling drugs.
It
Tell
happened.
me what happened, or I'll tell you.
You see it happen.
Just leave it, okay? You didn't get it, did you?
A freaking tear.
Right.
Cry me river.
Yeah.
That's a good song.
Just make up whatever you want, and that's what happened.
I dedicate it to somebody.
Write out my gay confession, and I'll sign it. Okay?
Suck
Just
my
stop
dick.
pushing.